Hello guys, welcome to a new market outlook on my channel where I discuss my favorite pairs which for me align fundamentally and technically. So yeah, let's get started. First I want to say that in regards to the euro got some negative news because of the Prime Minister of France. He resigns after just one day President Macron chose a new government. So now there's a bit of uncertainty and now they're discussing. So that's what's holding back the euro for the moment, and that will weigh on the euro for I think, yeah, a few days. So it's likely that the euro depreciate now for some days, but after that, after this all get resolved, I think the euro should strengthen again. Yeah, especially against the weaker currencies which also cut rates because the euro is on hold and has a steady and yeah um, good economy at the moment. So only the uncertainty of France is now, yeah, weakening the euro. And yeah, so keep that in mind when I now analyze the euro bears. I will not say that every time I now discuss the euro bear, but keep that in mind. And that's why it's probable that the euro make a larger pullback now. But let's get started. Here you can see again we are Euro USD in an uptrend, bullish after this break of structure. We expected a pullback. We got the pullback. And here I draw in the supply zone, which is in control. As you can see, we gone up, take out this liquidity, and now got the move down as I anticipated. Here you can see it a little more clear. We got here the liquidity grab, and then they moved down lower, and now we are just following the order flow with this supply in control. Now this supply was in control, and now we are just moving down lower. And as I had as targets are these liquidity lows over here. There are many of them. So this one we took out, but now we still have this one, we still have this one, this one, this one. So with the weakening of the euro, it's very possible that we take out these lows. And after taking out these lows, you can still see we are still swing bullish. So for me, it would be very nice if we could take out these lows here with the euro weakening now, and then when the uncertainty fades away, the euro can gain back some strength and then make a new higher high, take out this liquidity and tap into this higher time frame supply zone. So that's my plan for today and for the next days. So maybe look for a new break of structure down, then for a little pullback, and then maybe for a larger move down to take out this liquidity. But it's of course lower probability because we were still in this discount area, and now we are pulling back into this discount area. And since we are in this discount area, shorts will get less probability because price could reverse from anywhere here with a higher probability. Yeah, that would be all for the Euro USD. Next, I will discuss the Euro GBP, same fundamentally. So here you can see also very nice that we are swing bullish with this low, this high, this low, this high. So after this break here, we expect a pullback. Now we are in this pullback phase. And as you can see here, this supply was in control and pushed the market now down lower. So what I'm looking for now is maybe take out this low and then reverse from here, or with the weakening of the euro, take out all of these lows over here and tap into this demand zone, into the 50% of the range, into the discount, and then look for a change of character here and then go long. So I just look at the confirmation and at the reaction from this point of interest here, and then from this point of interest here. So for now, just waiting and maybe get in some scale-ins, because you can see here, very nice, that here this supply was in control, and here we got not a very nice, but you can see that we from here got the reaction down, and now this supply is in control. So for what I'm looking maybe is that we take out this highs, go up a little higher, then wait for a change of character, and then go long to target this liquidity over here and this whole liquidity I spoke about before. So this is my game plan now for Euro GBP. The next one is the Euro NZD. Also very nice structure. That's why I chose these pairs, because I very like the structure. And now with the Euro weaken, it could play out very well that we get the nice after the breakout structure, we get a nice pullback into maybe this demand zone, take out this liquidity and into the discount, or we just take out this liquidity over here. You can see it better in a 4-hour time frame, tap into this demand zone, and then get a change of character to go long again, to take out this liquidity over here and form a new higher high. So again, go into the 4-hour time frame. What we can see here, we are also swing bullish with this high, this low, this high. So now we are in the pullback phase. Here you can see we have descending highs and lows, and here also now a liquidity. So what we're doing now is we are pulling back into this supply zone in control after this fractal breakout structure to the downside. So what I expect now is that we tap into the supply zone and then go down again to reach this overall demand zone and maybe this refined demand zone. And then once we reached this overall demand zone, I will look for long trades and look for a 4-hour change of character to go long. It have to also align with the euro fundamentals to maybe the uncertainty fades a bit. But yeah, that would be very nice for me because we then would get a nice pullback, and here is a very nice area to get long on this pair. This next one is Euro CAD. Same play here. We just get a pullback. You can see on the daily we are swing bullish with this high, this low, that I count as a move up, and now we maybe got a pullback and then a move up again. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can also see we are 4-hourly bullish with this move up, then a leg down, move up, and now a pullback. So what we can do is that we here took out the liquidity, tapped into this demand zone, and then saw a strong reaction up. But you can here see that this supply was still in control, and this supply pushed the market down lower with the bad news for the euro. So what could happen for now is that we take out this liquidity here again, tap maybe into this refined area of demand, and then get a change of character and then go long. But for now, I will just follow the order flow. So now this is our fractal low, and this here is our fractal high when we broke this low. And then I will just follow the order flow, and since the order flow then shift, then I will look for long trades. But for now, just wait and see which low get taken out, which liquidity is taken out, and then look for confirmation for long trade. Next is the Aussie NC. You can see I take a small long trade over here, because when I zoom out a bit, you can see we were very, very bullish on this pair. Here you can see we never got a real pullback. That's why I am very aggressive on this pair at the moment. And here you can see we got a pullback here, 3-day pullback, and tapped into this area of demand and took out the liquidity under this. So this is for me a sign that I will go long with a lower risk, because it can of course go up from here again, because we saw that in the past that we just had a small pullback and then go up again, small pullback and then up again. And here we had a much bigger pullback, but the fundamentals stayed the same for me. So I was willing to take the risk, and if I take a stop loss, it's no problem. We take out this liquidity again, tap into this demand zone, and then I will again look for a long trade with a higher risk, because from here it's higher probability. The next is the Aussie CAD. Nearly the same here. We just waited for a pullback because we had a strong move up, move down, here a breakout structure. So I now wait for a pullback to take out this liquidity here, tap into this demand zone, and then wait again for my confirmation, because without confirmation I will not go in a trade. I will not just put my buy limit here, stop loss under the demand zone, and target the new high, because I don't know when the price reverses. Nobody knows. It can also take out this liquidity here and then reverse it from here. So yeah, just wait for a bigger pullback. Now the supply is in control, so it could be that we close above the fractal low, get a pullback, and then just follow the order flow. So just wait and see. The last one is the Nikkei, the GBP index from the stocks. And here you can see we had a very, very big gap because of the bearish news for the GBP, because the new prime minister is more dovish. This means not so open to hike rates, which was on the table for the GBP. So now the hikes get priced out. This means more cuts or less hikes get priced in, and that's positive for the stocks. So that's why you saw that massive move up. But what I'm looking for now is that we close that gap, or at least to 50%. So for now, I will just wait for a pullback and then I will aggressively go long, because I think, yeah, the hikes have to get priced out still, and every pullback here into this gap or into the 50% of the range here, so approximately around this area here, is a nice area to go long with confirmation on the 4-hour time frame. So that would be all for today. Hope you like it. Write down in the comments what your opinions on the pairs are and for what you are looking at. And have a nice day, and see you in the next Market Outlook.